want to marry in Ndebele.
This is not particular one now for this particular country now. Isindebe is better.
Okay, so which ways you want to propose or
okay, for instance now.
Yeah.
If I want to say to her, I like your drumstick.
I'm a drummer.
My God, drumstick.
I'm a hips. Also, what you like a drumstick and I think we are calling to first. I love you.
Okay, what is the word for that one?
Right. You finish. Zbunu zako. Zbunu zako.
Zbunu zako.
Yes. You mean I love you. Yes, zbunu zako.
Zbunu zako.
Yeah. Carry. Then maybe he's gonna answer how you love me.
Okay. Spoon-sack. Wait, my guy, I'm trying to enjoy this one. I'm trying to absorb it.
Repeat it. Keep repeating it.
Spoon-sack.
Yes.
Like I call her, like now.
Hello, Sisi. Hello. You want busy in your phone. You are busy now. Sis.
I have to attract attention now.
Yes. You sorry, Sisi. It's Bunuzak.
Yes. What is the most likely response to that one? So for me to pick up if she's into this one,
yeah.
If I'm in or out, which particular response I'm supposed to expect?
Yeah, maybe he's gonna say we are Ntagelwa. Kumbe futsek.
No, futsek this one, I've heard this one. Which means I'm out.
No, futsek, not futsek exactly.
Yeah.
Wait. It's just a mistake. We are Ntagelwa, we are Nsholela. Which means I love you too. We are Nsholela. So if you had that they said we are Nsholela means I love you too. We are Nsholela.
This is too much now.
No, it's not for this one is not yours. It's for the lady. You say it's Bunzako, the lady we are Nsholela. Yes. Then you say
there's connection.
Yes. It's showing that he is already touched. Then you said Peya. Zanka. You can use even that one is sweet. That is Zanka word.
That is the most appropriate.
Yes. So you can say Zanka. Zbunzako Zanka. Yes. Or Peya. Yes. You done. Then the lady starting smiling.
I think this is. Let me go and rehearse this too. Nah.
Yes.
Sack. You understand?
Yes. Just use the two.
Even if the response is something else now, but body language is there. Talk well.
This is the key point.
Man, next week they'll be enjoying soup now.
Yeah, but then if they take you, maybe it's gonna say I want to take you to my home to show my parents. Then if you reach there, you just say, hello Bayanga. Hello Bayanga.
Okay, this one I will wait. I will absorb it later, but I need to. The first part.
The first part is Bunuzako Zanka, Bunuzako Peya. You done.
Okay, if I enter their compound.
Yeah.
Hello Bayanga, something like that.
Yes, hello Bayanga. Then they said Uvela ngapi Slima.
Man, let me rush before I forget this one. Let me rush.
Go.
It's better like that. One, please, stop go that.